Hi everybody, it's Miss Hope. Today is going to be our last lesson for the school year, and I'm so grateful that I've been able to still reach out with you guys and create lessons, and hopefully you have been watching and doing some art at home. And even if you're not doing these lessons, I hope you guys have been doing some creative and fun things with your family. But today is going to be our last lesson, and I'm going to teach you how to draw an animal today. So you're going to need some crayons or oil pastels or markers, whatever you've got, colored pencils, whatever you've got is fine. And you're just going to need a piece of paper. You may want the colors orange and black and white, just to give you a hint. Can you think about what animal might be orange and black and white? Did you say tiger? Yes, it's going to be a tiger. We're going to learn how to draw a tiger step by step today. We're going to read a really cool book, and then we're going to learn how to draw the tiger step by step, so you'll have a chance to follow along and pause it and come back to it if you need to go a little bit slower or whatever you guys need to do. But I just want to let you guys know that I have missed you all this time that we've been out of school, and I look forward to hopefully seeing you guys next year and starting art again in August, and just kind of picking up where we left off and getting back into that art room. Okay, so whatever you guys do, have a great summer. Maybe I'll see some of you at camp. I'm going to be at camp a little bit. And whatever you guys do, just have a great summer. Be safe, be well, be healthy, and keep creating, keep drawing, keep collaging, keep painting, whatever you're doing at home, keep doing it. Okay, all right, so here we go. We're going to read the book. I'm going to overhead camera so you guys can look down at my table like that. This book is called Who is the Beast? Who is the Beast? By Keith Baker. It's really cool drawings inside. You'll see what I'm talking about. They're beautiful drawings, beautiful artwork in this book. Who is the Beast? There's his paw. The Beast! The Beast! We must fly by. We see his tail swing low and high. The Beast, the Beast, I must turn back. I see his stripes, yellow and black. The Beast, I buzz along. I see his legs, sure and strong. The Beast, don't make a sound. I see his eyes, green and round. The Beast, I hide from sight. I see his whiskers long and white. The Beast, I'm filled with fear. I see his tracks. The Beast is near. Who is the Beast? Who can it be? I see no beast. I just see me. Am I the Beast? Could the Beast be me? I must go back to them and see. I see whiskers long and white. We both have whiskers, left and right. I see eyes green and round. We both have eyes to look around. I see legs short and strong. We both can jump far and long. I see stripes, yellow and black. We both have stripes across our back. I see a tail swing low and high. Both our tails swing side to side. Who is the Beast? Now I see. We are all beasts, you and me. So I thought that was a really cute book. I got it out of the library. And now I'm going to show you a picture of what we're going to be drawing today. We're going to be doing this guy right here, this tiger. Okay, so just remember, we're going to go step by step. So this is the finished picture, but I'm going to show you guys how to break this down into small steps so that you can do it. Okay, so go grab your pencil, your coloring tools, whatever it is that you're going to use, your crayons, markers, oil pastels. Miss Hope is going to use oil pastels today because I haven't used them in a while, and I just kind of feel like I want to use them today. So I'm going to be using my oil pastels, and I'm going to show you how this is done. Okay, so when you're ready, get your piece of paper, and now I'm going to put it landscape style. So that means, remember what we talked about in class, this is portrait style, where it goes up and down. It's kind of the long way of the paper. And then, or you can call it, you know, we call it portrait style in art. Or we do it this way, okay? And this is called landscape, because the land, that kind of helps you remember, the land goes like this, okay? It goes from left to right. All right, so first what we're going to do is we're going to make an oval. It's okay if it kind of ends up looking like a circle, okay? Mine's not going to be perfect. Yours is not going to be perfect either. And you want to make it so that you're going to have room for ears. So you want to make it most of the page. If you make yours a little bit small, that's okay. You can always try again. Okay, so here's my oval. All right, so an oval is like a circle that gets stretched out. That's what an oval is, okay? All right, now next step is you're gonna draw his nose or her nose. So the nose is gonna be like drawing half of a circle, like that. So imagine, don't do this, but imagine if you did the other part, it would be a full circle. Okay, so you're only doing half the circle. So it kind of looks like a fruit bowl for a nose, kind of, yeah, that's what it kind of looks like. It's like a fruit bowl or some kind of bowl. All right, now you're going to do the top part of his nose. It looks like this. It's almost like you're making a triangle from one corner of the nose up to the head, and then the other side, you're going to bring that right up too. Okay? You don't want to make it a triangle where there's a point, but if that happens, okay, it's okay if that happens. All right, now we're going to give him the lines for his mouth. So now I just want to show you, here's your guideline. These two corners right here where his nose, at the top of his nose, these are going to be your guidelines, okay? So you're not going to make it like this, okay? You're going to start from this point right here, right where his nose is. And you're just going to bring two lines down like that. Okay, good. Now we're going to do his ears. His ears are also going to be like two semicircles. There's going to be a big one and a small one inside, like that. And on the other side, another big one and a small one inside. That one's a little bit bigger than that one, but that's okay, guys. We're practicing right now, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give him, I'm going to add a little neck here, because why not? And now, what does a tiger have that makes it really unique? Huh? It's got stripes, right? So it even has stripes on its head, its face. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to give our tiger, we're just going to put some stripes around his face, wherever you can fit them. These are just going to be made up of triangles, nice small triangles. Now what I want to do is I want to make them even on one side. So I don't want to have 4 triangles here but 2 triangles here. So you see, you have to kind of think about where'd you put the triangles on this side and how can you make the other side match, okay? And then I'm going to give him one for his neck on this side and one for his neck on that side. Okay, we're almost done. Now, here's where it gets really fun. You can either make his eyes closed or open. So let's see, I'm going to use my pencil to show you what I mean. You can make his eyes closed like that. Okay? Or you can make them open like that. Which would you like to do? You want to make them closed like he's smiling or sleeping? You can make them closed. I think I'm going to make my eyes open. I'm just going to trace my lines since they're already there. You can go ahead and do that too. You can always practice with a pencil if you want to first, but sometimes, you know, it's just fun to do with a crayon or an oil pastel or a marker and make the mistake and see what happens. And now I'm going to give him, I'm going to make my tiger smiling. He's happy. School's almost over. He's happy. And that's your tiger right there. Now you get to color him in, figure out what kind of colors you want to use. Now, are tigers mostly orange and black? Yeah, but there are some white tigers that have black stripes. But if you want to go ahead and make your tiger purple and blue stripes, that's fine. If you want to make it different colors, that's fine. If you want to make his stripes rainbow color, I don't care. Whatever you want, you guys. This is your project, okay? So I'm going to use my orange. I'm going to color the outside of his ear. And I'm not going to worry if I get every little piece of white colored in, because I also have other kinds of crayons that I may want to blend in here, other colors. So I may want to just have fun and play with this. This is a really friendly tiger. Not a scary tiger at all. I'm going to use some pink for inside his ear. I don't know what color the inside of a tiger's ear is. Maybe it's white. Maybe it's pink. I don't know if he cleans his ears, so maybe it's yucky in there. I have no idea. But we're just going to imagine and have fun. And then I'm going to go ahead and color his face. Now, if I make a mistake with my oil pastel, I just blend it right in. Crayons, you may not be able to blend it as much, but if you make a mistake, just keep going, okay? Mistakes are important. They're a part of life. You're going to make them. You just got to learn how to fix them or just accept them. And in your artwork, it doesn't have to always be perfect. You could always fix it or try something new, or sometimes, oops, see, I made a mistake right there on his eye. I colored orange inside of his eyeball. Miss Hope is not going to get upset about that. I hope you guys are just having a good time coloring, and maybe mom or dad is doing this with you. Maybe your big brother or big sister is helping you out too, or a cousin that lives at home with you or comes to visit, or whatever. You can show. Now you can teach somebody how to make a tiger if you want to. Great thing about art is that you get to learn stuff and then teach other people. Okay, so almost done with his face. And after his face, I'm going to go on to his neck. I'm not coloring this other part yet because I'm not sure how I want to do it. I have to figure out what I want to do, because his nose is probably orange too, except for the end of it, which is probably black. And I'm going to leave this part white for his like beard. I'm going to go ahead and color this part orange. Now, if there's a lot of space in the background, this part here, this is called the negative space. If you want to go ahead when you're done with your tiger and you want to draw leaves, pretend he's in the jungle, or think about what we saw in the book. There's other animals with him, so maybe you want to draw another animal with him. Alright, so my orange is done. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab my black oil pastel and I'm going to make his nose. And I'm going to show you something that's really fun with oil pastels. I hope that you'll be able to see what I'm going to do. I'm going to hold it up close for you so you can see. With oil pastels, they're kind of like paint. Except they're not as messy as paint, which is good if you don't want to make a mess at home, or you don't have to clean it up so much. But I'm now going to take my pencil and I'm going to see if I could, well, it's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of scrape some of the color away. I'll hold it up close to the camera so you can see what I'm talking about. Kind of right there, scrape some of that away with my pencil, and I don't want it to be very, very light, so it's okay that it doesn't show up a lot. But that's the way you can have some fun with that. I'm going to make his inside of his eyes green. And then I'm going to go ahead and make his stripes black. I'm just going to make a plain old regular colored tiger today. But you guys, go ahead and have fun. Do whatever colors you want. Okay? And again, I'm so glad that I got to meet all of you this year and teach art to you, and I hope that you guys had a good time in the art room. And if you're coming back to Atala next year And you're going to be in pre-K again or kindergarten. Hopefully, I will see you. We'll get to do more fun stuff in the classroom. And we have art club after school. All right. Oh, he's cute. Oh, I left one stripe out. Well, he's super cute. Oh, hello, Tiger. You can even give him some whiskers. There we go. Yeah, cool. All right. So your tiger is done. I'm going to see if I can fix his eye a little bit with my way. If I can just color it. Nope, I can't really do it. But that's okay. No big deal. I'm not going to be upset about that. All right, so your tiger is done. And you get to basically show off how cool your tiger is. And let me see. I'm going to snap back to you guys so I can say goodbye. And okay. I really am glad that you were able to join in today and follow me with your tiger drawing. And again, if you guys can, some of you can ask for permission and take a picture, get your mom or dad to take a picture of what you did and send it to the Facebook or the YouTube page, or send it to my Atala email. And I would love to see what you guys are making. And I hope that you all had a good rest of the year. I know this was tough, and it's not the way it normally is, but you know what? We made the best of it, and I'm super proud of you guys, okay? So you guys take care. Have a great summer. I will miss you, and I will be thinking about all of you, and just hope you're all healthy and well, and I'll see you again soon, okay? All right, bye, everybody.